Indonesian President Joko Widodo on Thursday visited Tiglaur Station, one of the 4 stations on the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway, and listened to report on the construction of the railway project. Tiglaur Station is located in Bandung, capital of Indonesia's West Java province. It has a floor area of 15,268 square meters and a maximum gathering capacity of 1,500 people. An inspection train that arrived from China in September is parked at the station. During the inspection, Widodo said the project will speed up and improve regional mobility of people and goods.
Ya, ini memang kereta api cepat yang pertama di kawasan, di ASEAN. Dan kita mengharap nanti terjadi konektivitas antar negara, entah disambungkan itu dengan pelabuhan, entah itu disambungkan dengan airport, dan entah nanti juga bisa disambungkan dengan kereta cepat seperti ini. Dan itu sudah menjadi gagasan besar di ASEAN agar konektivitas antar negara-negara ASEAN yang tersambungkan secepat-cepatnya dalam rangka daya saing ASEAN.
At present, all 13 tunnels along the railway have been completed. Over 92% of the subgrade, bridge and station civil works have been completed. With a design speed of 350 km per hour, the Jakarta-Bandung HSR built with Chinese technology will cut the journey between Jakarta and Bandung from over 3 hours to around 40 minutes.